Learn English to Gujarati. Negotiate to standardize with.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
And.
એકરૂપ બનાવવું.
Welcome to the meeting that should have been an email. Hey, you are about to learn some powerful Gujarati words through a ridiculous story. Relax, listen, and repeat out loud with me. Our story begins in an office where 8 people, 3 laptops, 1 whiteboard, and a suspiciously confident intern are trying to save a project. First, they need to.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
With a client. That means negotiate. One manager says, we cannot sign yet. We must.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
Before the deal. Another manager looks dramatic and says, I refuse to.
માની જવું.
That means give in. Then the client asks if the company can.
Entjeg uncommon.
Yes, that target phrase here means accommodate, meet someone halfway, be flexible. Already, this meeting has coffee, stress, and vocabulary. Excellent. The chaotic story. Now listen to the main scene. Try to catch each Gujarati word when it appears. The team sat around the table like heroes in a very low-budget action movie. Their mission was simple. Save the project and maybe also save lunch. First, they had to.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
With the client about price, timeline, and why the logo looked like a sleepy potato. The client was polite but firm. The team stayed calm and chose to.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
Instead of panic. After 20 minutes, one tired coworker wanted to.
માની જવું.
He whispered, fine, I will.
માની જવું.
Just let me eat my sandwich. But the team leader said, not yet. We can still.
Entjeg uncommon.
Without losing everything, so they tried to accommodate the client a little. Then the intern jumped up and shouted, let us.
Voran triban.
In this lesson, that means to drive forward. Everyone stared at him for a second because he had said it like a movie trailer voice. But he was right. They needed to drive the plan forward. So they reviewed the options, decided to.
મત આપવું.
On the best proposal, and each person chose one idea. Yes.
મત આપવું.
Means to vote. After the vote, they worked to.
મજબૂત બનાવવું.
Their strategy. That means consolidate, make it stronger and more solid. Finally, they had to.
એકરૂપ બનાવવું.
The process, because every department had a different form, a different font, and apparently a different relationship with reality. When the plan was done, everyone smiled, stood up, and decided to.
ગ્લાસ અથડાવા.
With juice glasses. Tiny celebration. Big victory. Mildly warm orange juice. Word power drill. Great job. Now let us drill the words one by one so they stick in your memory. To negotiate is.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
They want to.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
A better price. To give in is.
માની જવું.
Do not.
માની જવું.
Too quickly. To accommodate, in this word set, is.
Entjeg uncommon.
A good team can.
Entjeg uncommon.
When needed. To clink glasses is.
ગ્લાસ અથડાવા.
At the party, friends.
ગ્લાસ અથડાવા.
To drive forward is.
વોરાન ટ્રાઇબન.
New ideas.
વોરાન ટ્રાઇબન.
The project. To vote is.
મત આપવું.
Citizens.
મત આપવું.
On election day. To consolidate is.
મજબૂત બનાવવું.
Daily review helps.
મજબૂત બનાવવું.
Your knowledge. To standardize is.
એકરૂપ બનાવવું.
Companies often.
એકરૂપ બનાવવું.
Their rules. Mini dialogues with maximum drama. Now enjoy some short dialogues. They are practical and just dramatic enough to be memorable. A. The price is too high. B. Then let us.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
A. We have argued for an hour. B. Fine, I will.
માની જવું.
But only because I am hungry. A. Can you help with our request? B. Yes, we can.
Entjeg uncommon.
A. The project is stuck. B. We need to.
વોરાન ટ્રાઇબન.
It now. A. Which option do we choose? B. Let us.
મત આપવું.
A. Our notes are all over the place. B. We should.
મજબૂત બનાવવું.
The plan first. A. Why are there 7 templates? B. Because nobody remembered to.
એકરૂપ બનાવવું.
Anything. A. We finally finished. B. Quick, before another meeting appears, let us.
ગ્લાસ અથડાવા.
Memory tricks that are slightly silly. Let us make the words unforgettable. The sillier the picture, the better your memory. Picture 2 businesspeople on a bridge gently passing offers back and forth. That is.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
To negotiate. Imagine a very stubborn goat finally accepting 1 carrot and deciding to.
માની જવું.
See a kind hotel manager rolling out a red carpet and saying.
And જગ uncommon.
To accommodate a late guest. Hear a happy little ting sound when 2 glasses.
ગ્લાસ અથડાવા.
Imagine pushing a heavy cart uphill with determination. That is.
વોરાન ટ્રાઇબન.
To drive forward. See yourself placing a paper into a ballot box.
મત આપવું.
To vote. Picture loose bricks becoming a strong wall.
મજબૂત બનાવવું.
To consolidate. Imagine messy papers magically turning into matching files.
એકરૂપ બનાવવું.
To standardize. Quick quiz. You are doing well. Answer in your head or out loud if you want to impress the furniture. What is Gujarati for negotiate?
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
What means give in?
માની જવું.
Which word in this set means accommodate?
And જગ uncommon.
How do you say to clink glasses?
ગ્લાસ અથડાવા.
What means to drive forward?
વોરાન ટ્રાઇબન.
How do you say to vote?
મત આપવું.
What means consolidate?
મજબૂત બનાવવું.
How do you say standardize?
એકરૂપ બનાવવું.
Your final challenge. Now it is your turn. Try to imagine using all the words in one scene. You are leading a team. First, you.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી.
With a client. You do not.
માની જવું.
Too fast, but you do.
And જગ uncommon.
A little to keep things friendly. Then you.
વોરાન ટ્રાઇબન.
The project, ask the team to.
મત આપવું.
On the best option.
મજબૂત બનાવવું.
The final strategy, and.
એકરૂપ બનાવવું.
The process. At the end, because you are civilized and slightly dramatic, you.
ગ્લાસ અથડાવા.
If you can picture that, you are not just learning words. You are building a whole language scene. Friendly goodbye. You made it. Nicely done. Thank you for learning with me today. Keep practicing these English to Gujarati words out loud.
વાટાઘાટ કરવી. માની જવું. And જગ uncommon. ગ્લાસ અથડાવા. વોરાન ટ્રાઇબન. મત આપવું. મજબૂત બનાવવું.
And.
એકરૂપ બનાવવું.
Repeat them tomorrow, use them in your own sentences, and do not worry if it feels messy at first. Practice a little every day, and your Gujarati will grow stronger and stronger.